Hey, it's me, Nikki the Homemaker. Today we're going to be doing another DIY. Thanks for stopping by this channel. Hit that subscribe button, guys, so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. This video, I made a 3-tier shelf, which I'm so excited about because I have been wanting to make one of these for so long. So for the chalk paint, I used Sheepskin by Waverly. I couldn't find the candle holders that I wanted from Dollar Tree. They were out at every single Dollar Tree in my town, so I used these candle holders, which to me still worked out really good, but I really wanted the other ones. And I'm just doing the first coat with the chalk paint, and then I'm going to let it dry and then apply the second coat. And I did this to 2 of them. I got these at Dollar Tree as well. The pizza pan and the stove covers came in a package with the big one and a small one. So I'm using these 3 items for the shelves, and I'm applying the chalk paint all over them. And I did about 2 coats on each single pan. So as I painted this one, I put it aside, let it dry, and then I painted the other ones all the first coat. And I did use a blow dryer to hurry up the process for it to dry. You can use spray paint as well. In fact, I think that would have been way more faster, but this is what I have on hand. I'm just using whatever I have on hand, trying to make this as cheap as possible. And another note, when all of these did dry, I painted under it. So I call in reinforcement here to find out where the center is, because as some of you know, I am blind out of an eye, and you really need to add E6000 if you do not want this to move, because I'm just using hot glue and it will move in time. And I didn't even end up putting it in the center. I'm just gonna go with it. I keep on going, and I'm happy with it anyways. And this is how she came out. I am loving her. I mean, I cannot wait to decorate it. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it, but I love how this came out. So simple and easy. Now I'm using these flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting them up. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them exactly, but I do know that I am incorporating light pink and white to my decor. So I just conjured up some things I had around the house, which is candles, little bitty planner things that I had, and I just put it on there. It's not gonna stay like this, but I still don't know exactly what I want to do with it. Anyways, I'm really happy with it. Now, as I stayed looking at it, I had went so crazy with white chalk paint. I started painting everything white. I don't know, I just went crazy. But as I'm looking at it, I don't know, I just feel like everything is just so bland and white, doesn't have any character. So I grabbed this little sander and I decided to just go at it so that it can have some type of, I don't know, antique look, kind of rustic look, I don't know, but that was making a big mess. So I grabbed black acrylic paint and a sponge brush that I had, and I'm just going to apply it on the edges of everything. I made quite a bit of mistakes, but when you're messing with acrylic paint, it's very forgiving. All you have to do is wet a little napkin or towel, whatever you have, and wipe it off. So that's what I did throughout it. And I just went all over on the edges and applied this, and I really started loving the way it was looking. And sorry for the way that I sound throughout the video. These allergies in West Texas right now are hectic. It has been so windy and dusty. Even if you feel like you're doing too much, you can always go back with your chalk paint and just clean it up. Alright, so now I'm going all over the house, and everything that I painted white, I am adding the black acrylic paint to it just to give it, like I said, some type of character, so it doesn't look so bland. I don't know what I'm doing quite yet, but I do know if I mess up, I can always go back with the chalk paint and just, you know, go back to the bland white. But I'm just going to add this to, you know, make it look like it has some texture, and I'm doing this on everything that I had painted white. I went ahead and decided to do the 3-tier shelf as well because, like I said, I just wanted to give everything some type of I don't know, some type of live texture, character, whatever. And I really started liking the way it was looking. So I just went ahead and, you know, finished it. I should have taken everything off of the shelf like a normal person, but because I'm just being lazy, I don't. I leave everything on there, which, I don't know, to each his own. But as you can see, I just added the acrylic paint to the sponge and just went at it. I didn't add too much so that it wouldn't make like a big mess. So now she's finished. Now they're all finished. I went back and painted everything that I had painted white, and I really like the way it looks. I'm really happy with this. I'll change up the decor on that shelf, but I'm really happy with this. And I'm just showing you a quick theme of what I have going on here. I got the light pink and the white going on, and I kind of have it everywhere. I don't know if I'm really liking the way it looks. I might just change it. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you think that the light pink and the white are doing good. I get mixed answers all the time. But I'm happy so far, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Y'all guys have a blessed one. And smash that subscribe button down below so that you can see every time I post a video.